All right, let's look at objective number 2. So now we're going to graph equations in the rectangular coordinate system. So for each value of x, we will find the corresponding value for y. So here we have our list of x's, and then we have an equation that we must solve to get our y. So what we're going to do is simply substitute and solve. So we have 4 minus negative 3 squared. So we have 4, a negative 3 squared gives me a positive 9, but it's minus negative 3 squared, so minus x squared. So that gives us minus 9 equals negative 5. So y equals negative 5. So my ordered pair, negative 3, negative 5. And we do that going all the way down for the rest of the x values. So 4 minus negative 2 squared. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The ordered pair is negative 2, 0. 4 minus negative 1 squared. So 4 minus 1 gives me positive 3. Ordered pair, negative 1, 3. 4 minus 0 squared. 4 minus 0 equals 4. So my ordered pair is 0, 4. Now we have 4 minus 1 squared. So when it's saying x squared, we're saying, like for negative 3 times negative 3, which is a positive 9. Because it says minus x squared, it's minus 9. Just want to throw that in there again. So 4 minus 1 squared, which is 1, gives us 3, which is the ordered pair of 1, 3. 4 minus 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 gives me 0, which gives me the ordered pair of 2, 0. And then 4 minus 3 squared. 3 times 3 gives me 9. So 4 minus 9 gives me a negative 5, which gives me the ordered pair of 3 and negative 5. Now that we have our ordered pairs, we're going to plot our points. So we have negative 3, negative 5 is here. Negative 2 and 0. So a little bit bigger. Negative 1, positive 3. 0, 4. 1 and 3. 2, 0. 3, negative 5. All right, now don't talk about my line now, because I'm not an art major. But you get the idea. Now let's look at 2b. Same thing, gonna substitute. So the absolute value of negative 4 plus 1, which is the absolute value of negative 3, which is 3, which gives me the point or ordered pair, negative 4, 3. Absolute value of negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 gives me absolute value of negative 2, which gives me a positive 2, because the absolute value of a number is always positive. So that gives me the ordered pair, negative 3, 2. Absolute value of negative 2 plus 1 gives me the absolute value of negative 1, which gives me positive 1, which gives me the ordered pair, negative 2, 1. Absolute value of negative 1 plus 1. That gives me the absolute value of 0, which is 0. That gives me negative 1 and 0. Absolute value of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is at 1, so the absolute value of 1 equals 1, which gives me the ordered pair 0, 1. Absolute value of 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Absolute value of 2 is still positive 2. So that gives me the point 1, 2. And we have absolute value of 2 plus 1, but it gives me the absolute value of 3, which is positive 3. And the point is 2, 3. So now we plot our points. Negative 4, positive 3. Negative 3, positive 2. Negative 2, 1. Negative 1, 0. 0, positive 1. 1, positive 2. 2, positive 3. Once again, judge my lines. There we go. Let's look at 2C. So here, that's a little different, right? We just have y equals 5. We don't have x here for us to substitute our x values in 4. So that means no matter what x equals, your y equals 5. So that's 5, 5, 5, 5. You get it? 5, 5, and 5. That gives me an ordered pair of negative 4. Yep, you guessed it, 5. Negative 3, 5. Negative 2, 5. Negative 1 and 5. 0 and 5. Positive 1 and 5. And 2 and 5. Let's plot the points. Negative 4, 5. Negative 3 and 5. Negative 2, 5. Negative 1 and 5. 0, 5. 1, 5. And 2, 5. And that gives us a horizontal line.